Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So we are Keisha and Princess Video channel. What are you smiling? What? Okay, guys. Hi, hi, Princess Chayan. Hi, my name is Princess, and this is Keisha. Yeah, because we are besties. What? That's not how you do that. Smile. So, guys, we have a game, and tomorrow we have a math lesson. But see you guys. But it's just joking. But it's tomorrow my math. Yeah. What are you doing? Um. Ow. I'm sorry, guys, but let's get that. Stop. Oh, I got 0. Stop. Matur. 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 What did you? You broke the pearl. What's 6 times 6? 1,000 million. You keep telling me. Blah, blah, blah. Bye, guys. Okay, we're doing math next week. Okay, guys, we have math now. We have. What do you mean that? We have this book, so you can die. Okay, that's fine. Let me find a book. Let me find something that you haven't finished it in a very long time. This one. It's here. Oh yeah, this is it. Right? No, this is so hard. I can do it. Woo! Can do it. Wait, Keisha, how about you can do it then? Wait, Keisha, can we do this first? Oh yeah, so you know. You get the minus, I'll get the minus. You get the plus. Keisha, I'm getting the minus. Okay. I almost kissed Keisha. I like minus. Here. No, this one's broken. That's okay. You're gonna get another one pencil on upstairs. No, you don't. No. How about we get chair when I done? How about we summer? Where? Let's go summer. Let's go together. We'll be back. Are you